clad, pull it up. Behave your bum buckler, self Nigy. Boom, pro. So yo, let's feel like me is my knock it a while ago now. Anyway, forget the tire. Your boy's coming from the court. But anyway, before we go any further, like, comment, subscribe. Now the attire match this video because it's a classy guy by the name of Nigy boy. Yo, that rhyme. Nigy boy just drop a song with DJ Mac. Him dangerous. Yo, me hear liquor piece side. One liquor piece. Pan. Look at Curry. Let me tongue one. Why you feel long on tongue? John one star. Anyway, so yo, Nigy boy drop a song named Dangerous. I'm see liquor bit on TikTok, you know. Liquor bit. And the liquor bit I see was enough for me to come over here. Okay? Now, if you guys do have videos that you want me to review, you can drop it down below and I'm going to give you my honest review. Okay? Thank you. Anyway, let's jump into the video right now because sang bad.
Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout. What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heavy neck.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe. No. DJ Mac, you're there on farm.
It's obvious.
You're there on farm, youth.
It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like.
Pull it up. Yo, man vice body fuck. Yo, man vice body youth.
It's a
man vice wicked.
Up the water spout. What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heavy neck.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, I'm telling you on the intro, I've a lot to do in the song, you know, but to the door, I listen to the video. Should be a producer, you know, but wait.
It's obvious. It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got.
Youth! Hold on there. Give me one belt. Give me one. Behave yourself. You're too bad. Watch out, I cut all the screen too blood clad. Come back again, Nigy boy. Come back again.
That's right. You know I
Hold
like
on. Hold on. Want to bring you back right here, so because. Come here.
It's obvious.
Give me that belt.
It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper.
Behave your bum buckler, self Nigy.
You got, that's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do. Spin it like a claw, make it collapse. Let me
Bum buckler. Behave yourself, Nigy. No man, attack man, hold on. Behave yourself.
feel the way. Miss bad and dangerous. Yeah. Stop wonder if me can manage. Bring it come here, make my angle leave. Triple cleave and this.
Yo. A blind man I go save dancehall. A blind man I go save dancehall and get a Grammy. Believe you me when me say that, brother. Youth, man body of fuck. Come here, Nigy.
You say each cheek big like one planet. What a day when me rest my hands pan it.
Youth, what a day when me rest me hands pan it. Girl, you can do some damage with that bumper where you got. Lord of mercy. I am
Start
thirsty.
shake like a tambourine, like that. Balance for me, go up and down like a trampoline. Now you could do some damage with that bumper.
Youth, man body of fuck.
Where you got? Oh, yeah. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do. Spin it like a claw, make it collapse. Let me.
Like, comment, subscribe. Yo. 10 out of 10, brother. Me not go no further. 10 out of 10, brother.
Feel the way. Miss bad and dangerous. Yeah. Excuse me. He carried down. Ticking, tacking like the hands of a clock. Oh, yeah.
Yo. That boy have body, no dog. This man work is exceptionally accepted and well put together.
I really define natural loss. You know see how she a wine and a walk go. I know say me a overreact. relax. But how you fit tell her that in your shots, baby?
Yo. Producers of Jamaica or internationally, please get this youth on the international market, brother. Please. I beg you no. A blind man, brother. This is the Stevie Wonder and the Ray Charles of blood clot Jamaica, you know. Alright.
You left me surprised in a shock when you make it sound like a coup and a club. Oh, got something solid as a rock. When you get tired and feel like
Yo! Dogs, I got something solid as a rock. Around pretty blind man, you know.
relax, just come over, take a seat on my lap. Bend down like I say you a boss a squat, baby. Me there for your avalanche. Remember say me Kawasaki no shots.
Hold on there. Why dogs about the Kawasaki? Come again.
Me Kawasaki no shots. Say you a dancing queen, so how about you come dance for me? You could do some damage with that bumper where you got. Oh yeah, you know
Man, tough.
I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel.
You know, so me keep on the air smiling up on my door. Paranoid, arrow. You know.
Miss bad and dangerous, yeah. Excuse me.
Now, the brand that we dog up on represent brand. Let me go back go show now. See if me can find it. This the represent brand, that shit tough, bro. You need to check that out. And they are very reasonable priced. T-shirts, I think that shirt they're probably I'm not 100% sure, but I know like t-shirts I'm go for like 120. You can get them on sale. The other day them they have sale for like the shirt them for $150 or like $90, bro. $106. So yeah. Check them out, represent. See, free promotion.
And dangerous, yeah.
Yeah man, mama fat up, bro.
Excuse me.
Oh god, they can't tell say dog blind, you know, based on dog go on for the girl a while ago. See man, you see me? Yeah dog. Wish the dog could have see the love and support. Wait man, but a good thing him not see somebody now to now because some man has some pussy out to cause some man would have got the drag him and them through mud if him never blind. I'm asking a question. You guys think Nigy would have had the big outburst we him have musically if he wasn't blind? I personally think no. Let me say something. Personally, you talented. See me? Talented. But comment down below, make me know if you think him being blind or him being him being blind. Comment down below, let me know if you think that play a major part in him getting the outbreak that he received. Me personally, like, me feel like the blind, like him being blind, have some type of significant, push to it for him coming up on the forefront and being who he is today. That's how me feel, because everybody say, oh, a blind man, and then you know the whole heap of viral moments him have with the dance, he might drive a red bike, and all them something there. Yes. So if you feel like say the blindness give him a push, comment down below, let me know. Yo, I'm tell you something. There is nothing more. Tell you this. There is nothing more attractive to me than a beauty. All women beautiful, but me just love black woman, beautiful black woman. Like me just love them. Like me not have makeup or anything, you know. Like a naturally beautiful woman. Yeah, youth. Okay, where can I go? Alright, the song name is Dangerous by Nigy Boy. Alright, first and foremost, DJ Mac, phenomenal. The song itself is just 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, you see me? No, the video, I feel like, well, I don't think there's much that you could do with the video, honestly. It's about a girl and how the girl body and bumper and beauty just play a lot with her creating a bag of damages, and how dangerous her attire is in terms of look and beauty. So me give the song a 10 out of 10, me give the video a 10 out of 10. Now something what we need for actually start review like a beat, like rhythm. You understand? And DJ Mac did a great job with this rhythm. Personally, I think this is probably one of the best songs on the rhythm, if not the best. Comment down below and let me know what you think. But I feel like this is one of the best songs on the rhythm. Nigy boy, you're tough, youth. You're tough. You're wicked. You see me? But that's how I hope say the people them around Nigy boy and the people them, the producer them, and all them people them, don't take the man for granted, brother. Don't use the man, don't ill treat the man, brother. Don't take the man disadvantages and use it against him. You see me? Please, me I beg on hold on to talent. Don't make it come out to a situation where a man have to come out and say, yo, the people like them did are doing bad and never did that, like let make that be a point of conversation, brother, or a topic of conversation, brother. You see me? Make it dog say, yo, everybody around him deal with him good. You see me? But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.